Managing respiratory issues in Australian Shepherds. Australian Shepherds, or Aussies as they are commonly known, are a popular breed of dog known for their intelligence, agility, and loyalty. They were originally bred in the United States to work on farms and ranches, herding livestock. Despite their popularity, there have been concerns and debates among dog enthusiasts regarding the potential respiratory issues that Australian Shepherds may be prone to. One of the primary concerns regarding the respiratory health of Australian Shepherds is their predisposition to certain hereditary respiratory conditions. These conditions include tracheal collapse, laryngeal paralysis, and brachycephalic airway syndrome. Tracheal collapse occurs when the rings of cartilage that support the trachea weaken, leading to a narrowing or collapse of the airway. This can result in coughing, wheezing, and difficulty breathing for the affected dog. Laryngeal paralysis is another respiratory issue that Australian Shepherds may face. It is a condition where the muscles that control the opening and closing of the larynx become weak or paralyzed, causing a partial or complete obstruction of the airway. Dogs with laryngeal paralysis often exhibit symptoms such as noisy breathing, coughing, and exercise intolerance. Brachycephalic airway syndrome is commonly seen in breeds with short noses and flat faces, such as bulldogs and pugs. While Australian Shepherds do not have the extreme brachycephalic features of these breeds, they still possess a relatively short muzzle which can contribute to respiratory issues. Brachycephalic breeds are prone to having narrow nostrils, elongated soft palates, and a narrow trachea, all of which can lead to breathing difficulties. It is important to note that not all Australian Shepherds will develop these respiratory issues. However, certain factors may increase their risk. For example, obesity can exacerbate respiratory problems, as excess weight puts additional strain on the respiratory system. Additionally, environmental factors such as exposure to smoke, pollution, or extreme temperatures can also contribute to respiratory difficulties in dogs. It is crucial for Australian Shepherd owners to be aware of potential respiratory issues and take appropriate measures to minimize their impact. Regular veterinary checkups are essential to monitor the overall health, including respiratory health, of your Aussie. Your veterinarian may recommend specific tests or screenings to assess your dog's respiratory function. Preventing obesity through a balanced diet and regular exercise is vital to maintain a healthy weight and reduce the strain on the respiratory system. Avoiding smoke-filled environments and ensuring your dog has access to fresh, clean air can also help prevent respiratory issues. Providing a comfortable and well-ventilated living environment for your Australian Shepherd is essential. If respiratory issues do arise, there are various treatment options available. Your veterinarian may prescribe medications, such as bronchodilators or anti-inflammatory drugs, to help alleviate symptoms and improve breathing. In severe cases, surgery may be necessary to correct structural abnormalities or address complications associated with respiratory conditions. While it is important to be aware of potential respiratory issues in Australian Shepherds, it is equally important not to let these concerns deter you from considering the breed as a companion. With proper care, regular veterinary checkups, and a healthy lifestyle, many Australian Shepherds live long, happy lives without experiencing significant respiratory difficulties. In conclusion, while there is a potential for Australian Shepherds to develop respiratory issues, it is not a guarantee. Responsible breeding practices and proactive care can help minimize the risk and manage any potential problems that may arise. By being aware of the breed's predisposition to certain respiratory conditions and taking appropriate measures, Australian Shepherds can continue to be cherished pets and working dogs for many individuals and families.